today we're going to be looking at this light switch and this ceiling fan. I'm assuming that there's going to be a loose wire or something, because when I turn the light switch on, it's sort of a delay in the light coming on. So I'm assuming that it's probably going to be a loose neutral or a possibly burnt wire up in the ceiling fan itself. So I'm going to get this plate off and look at the light switch first, see if it might be something in there, and we'll go from there. So guys, as you can see, it looks like there might be a little issue with the wire screws being loose, and the ground looks good, but as far as the wires that are connected, the leads right now, they look like they may be not screwed in all the way. So that just goes to show you that either the electrician that did this did not care at all, or a helper that was very inexperienced did not tighten it in really good. So I'm just going to confirm that my leads and my neutrals are in fact good. So I'm going to check that really quick, and if they are good, then I'm pretty sure I found the issue. But we just want to make sure. I apologize, I'm doing this with one hand. So it looks like it's definitely going to be the loose screws right there, but I'll go ahead and check. That looks really good, so I know it's not going to be a neutral problem down here. They're good. I'm going to cap that back off, and I'm going to check the lead next, make sure they are connected good. And just a tip, guys, just make sure you got the power off if you don't know what you're doing. My leads look good, so I know it's not a power problem right here, so it should be getting power from there. But I'm pretty sure the issue is going to be that it's not making a good connection. Upon inspecting the screws, they are definitely not loose. So it seems to be in there, but I'm pretty sure it's just not holding good. If you look right there, it looks like it's broke. So I know that it's probably not going to be anything up there in the ceiling fan. It's probably going to be down here in the light switch. So I'm probably going to have to get a new light switch, is what I'm thinking. Alright, I got the wire in there tightened down. So get the power back on. We're going to check this and see if that worked. Again, it is broke, so it's still not making the best contact, but we'll see if that's going to be the issue. Go ahead and do a test right here. Alrighty, that seems to be it. So I'm gonna go get a new switch, and we'll go from there. But that seems to be the issue. Okay guys, so I got the old switch off, I got everything capped off, and I got the new switch right here with me. So now we're gonna hook this new switch up and make sure everything's tied in together, and definitely make sure if that was the issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook my ground up first. I'm having to use needle nose pliers. I left my dang tool bag at work, so Gonna try to make the best of it with needle nose pliers. Want to make sure you get a good loop right here. And another tip for anyone who doesn't know, you always want to make sure that your loop is facing the way in which you're going to tighten the nut. That way you're not pulling it off. There we go. You always want to make sure though that it's facing the way in which you're tightening. Alright, that's on there good and snug. Alrighty. Go ahead and get our lead wires put on. Get this last lead on and we should have power. Alright, just check, make sure everything is working before we put it all back together. Go ahead and turn the power on. Alrighty. So guys, that's how you troubleshoot and wire up a new switch. Just remember to always be safe and to do your research before you try to do this yourself, or have someone else come and do it for you that knows what they're doing. But yeah, so most likely it's going to be something simple that you just overlook, and in this case it was just something simple as just loose the nuts being loose and the wires not making good connection. A lot of times it will be burnt up wires or a neutral problem not making good connection, but luckily it was just something simple as needing a new switch. Alright guys, I hope you all have a good day and hope that you might have learned something. If you need any, if you have any questions or concerns, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time guys.